My tongue is dripping slime over the soap road!
The cleaning line has already chosen your final spin.
Get off my cargo box! Then survive the pressure wash ahead! I've completely lost control!
My slime is dragging across the pencil road! The sharpener has saved its ride for you! Get off my roof! Then survive the drawing factory!
My wheels are completely out of control! My slimy tongue is dripping everywhere!
This factory will spin you into the final crash!
Get off my roof! Then survive the glass maze! I can't control my wheels!
My slimy tongue is dripping into the chocolate! Get off my container! The factory has prepared your final crash!
I can't stop spinning!
Then survive the cookie line! God, you eat two! Top goods! My slimy tongue is flying everywhere! The recycling line has saved the biggest crash for you! Get off my roof! Then survive the compactor zone! I'm completely out of control! My tongue is covering the whole table with slime! The final shot has already been called. Stay away from my roof equipment! My slimy tongue is flying everywhere! The canyon saved its hardest fall for you! Get off my roof! My slimy tongue is slipping all over the ice! This hospital will crush you before you escape! Get off my roof right now! Then survive the emergency gauntlet! I can't stop spinning! The salt is too slippery. I'm losing control. Your rescue route ends in the crystal. Faster, little ambulance. The bridge is already breaking. Over every page! The final chapter has already written your crash! Then survive the binding machine ahead! I've completely lost control! Try, Steve! goes!
Something is bubbling on my roof! Brewery has already sealed your escape!
Get off my cab! I can't control this lane! Tongue is bouncing everywhere! Mine won't stay inside either! Run faster! I want to hear the biggest crash! Keep rolling, little green car! Get off my roof! We're both losing control!